everyone. I am Vidya Kumar, the teacher of St. Paul High School. Welcome all in my Taekwondo class of St. Paul High School. So friends, today in my class I will teach you 4 basic commands of Taekwondo: Chuncho, Cherit, Kyumre and Jumbe. Before doing my class, in short, I will tell you the history of Taekwondo. Taekwondo is Korean martial art. It's the national game of Korea. Taekwondo is mainly derived from 3 words: Tai, Kon and Do. Tai means foot and kick, Kon means punch and Do means the way to do and the technique of kick and punch. So friends, before practice, let's do some common exercise. So friends, the first exercise is hand rotation. Now reverse. Second exercise is stretch your arms. Now change. Next exercise is stretch forward. Now stretch up. Down. Now open your leg. Now left turn. Center. Now right turn. Center. Next exercise is knee up. Left knee up. Down. Now down. Now right knee up. Down. Back. Down. Next exercise is take horse turns. Now left shoulder in. Center. Now right shoulder in. Center. Now hold your chin. And up. Next exercise is deep stomp. For deep stomp, first touch the floor with your right hand and heel up like this and look straight. Now change your leg and change your hands. Touch the floor with your left hand and heel up and look like this. Now stand up. So friends, these are the some basic exercise which we are mainly used before doing any practice. So friends, the first basic command is Chuncho. Chuncho means stand at ease. So this is our Chuncho positions. Now back, open leg, push your shoulder, left hand, right hand and cross your palm. This is our Chuncho positions. Now friend, this is Chuncho. Now next basic command is Cherit. Cherit means attention. Chuncho, Cherit. Chuncho, Cherit. Now friends, third basic command is Kyumre. Kyumre means bow. Chuncho, Cherit, Kyumre. Now, fourth basic command is Jumbe. Jumbe means be ready. Chuncho, Cherit, Kyumre, Jumbe. So friend, these are the 4 main basics commands which we are mainly used for our Taekwondo practice. Thank you so much for watching my video.